news! Large storm seen outside. Have you ever been in a large storm and told to go inside? Have you ever wondered what that storm might have looked like? Well, today we'll be making a tornado in a bottle. What you will need are two 2-liter bottles, a tornado adapter, or some duct tape and a washer, water, food coloring, a funnel, and some glitter. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. I'm Lauren, and let's do some soda science. You might be thinking, what do tornadoes have to do with soda? Well, a tornado has a really important place in Dr. Pepper history. Dr. Pepper was made in the Old Corner drugstore by Dr. Charles Alderton in 1885. He loved making soda creations. Now today, the Old Corner drugstore is unfortunately no longer standing due to a massive tornado that came in 1953. It also hit part of our AMBC building on the second floor, taking off part of the roof and wall. Tornadoes are giant storm funnels that form most often in large thunderstorms. When cold, dry air pushes over warm, humid air, it mixes due to wind changes and causes a rotation to start, eventually forming the funnel in a tornado. Tornadoes are powerful and dangerous storms, which is why we're told to go inside during them. But what if I told you we could replicate a tornado in a bottle? To begin, add any food coloring or glitter pieces you want to the water before we put it inside the soda bottle. Once you are happy with your water mixture, carefully pour it into one of the soda bottles using your funnel until the bottle is about 2/3 of the way full. Next, attach your tornado adapter to the filled soda bottle. Then, attach the empty soda bottle on top. If you don't have the soda adapter, no worries. This can also be done with duct tape and a washer. Similar process, place the washer on top of the filled bottle. Then, place the empty bottle on top of the washer and filled bottle. Then, carefully wrap the necks of the bottle together with a few pieces of duct tape. Squeeze the duct tape to fit snugly around the bottlenecks and make sure there aren't any holes. Once your two bottles are connected, we're ready to make our indoor tornado. Grab both sides, one bottle per hand, and flip them over. So the filled soda bottle is now on top. Once they are flipped, start swirling the bottles until a funnel is formed inside and watch it spin into the second bottle. Now that our water is in the bottom bottle, we can continue the same steps for endless fun. Each time we do it, we can look for something new. For example, we can look closely to see how our glitter interacts with the funnel. Does it avoid the funnel, or does it get sucked inside and move with it? Let's try it out and watch the glitter closely. We can see here in our tornado the glitter interacting, spinning around our bottle incredibly fast. Some of them even move into the funnel pattern directly. Now let's see what our friends think of our tornado in a bottle. Yeah, here you go.
Oh my gosh, is this the tornado thing?
It is! Okay, so if you want to make your own tornado, you're going to want to flip them over and spin the top bottle, that's the one filled with liquid, super fast, and it should make a funnel.
I'm so excited. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Come on, little guy. It's trying. The mesocyclone. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Come on, little guy. I don't think it likes me.
I can kind of see it.
It's a little guy. Spin, spin. There's a little one. Oh my gosh. It's wedging out. That's a full-on tornado. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I loved that. That's so cool.
Hi, Mackenzie.
Hello.
Wanted to give this to you. What do you think that is?
I have no idea.
Well, Well, what if I told you it could actually make a tornado?
Okay.
So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna flip it over so that the filled one's on top, and you're gonna wanna spin it super fast and aggressive. And then see if it'll form a funnel.
Oh, okay.
That was a really good funnel.
Okay, thank you. Oh. Keep going.
Hey, Lauren.
I wanted to give you this. What do you think it is?
Some blue liquid?
That's yep, indeed. Do you know what it could make?
I'm not sure.
Well, what if I told you that could become a tornado?
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna flip the whole thing over so that the filled bottle's on top.
Okay.
And once it is, you're gonna wanna spin it super, super fast, and that should create a funnel formation.
Okay, here we go. Am I doing it right?
Yeah, you're gonna wanna stop though.
Oh. Whoa. It's been, whoa. I didn't think it was gonna go so fast. The glitter helps as well. That's pretty awesome. Can I go again?
Tornadoes are fascinating storms, and we can see just how strong they are. It impacts our community around us and our local history. Now we can continue learning with our tornado in a bottle and see just how soda and science work together. Go ahead and give it a spin. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.
I kind of want to do it again.
Go for it.
All right, here we go. We'll go for it again. Oh. I'm in awe. I just want to watch it.